Hi, Callie. So, the material on the thing isn't updating though. Alright, so that's what I gotta fix. Why is that not updating properly? See, it updated now. Yeah, it updates only after I bring this open. That's really weird. It means I gotta look at the Udon behavior. Okay. That's what I didn't want to. It's been so long. Things are going alright. I've decided I wanted to revisit this project, mainly because we're going to be using it for filming some interviews on VRCon this year. And that means I need to, one, update my shit so it's functional on my end, because what's up is I've changed a bunch of stuff behind the scenes, and haven't fully pushed that. Like, I redid the UI. So the UI is completely different now, and I've added some features that are currently hidden, but need to be updated. And otherwise, I need to add a green screen setup so that you can actually key out anything you film with these cameras. So that's gonna be fun. And you know what? Actually, the material's not updating. That's a minor thing. So that's basically functional. And honestly, the lights are not super important on the Quest build, so I don't need to update that. At minimum, I need to get a green screen set up, so let's make a new game object. Okay, so pretty much the biggest thing, the main thing I wanna, actually no, the opt-out lighting, that's something else I need to fix. Okay, so currently I have it set up so that this game object, it toggles the studio tools as a whole. Instead, I want it to toggle the lights and the cameras themselves. That way things stay synchronized. Okay. I could literally just get rid of that functionality. And I think I'll probably just do that. Because if you're in the world, odds are you're going to want the lights. Because I only put that in there to show off on Community Meetup. So, in that case, if I just get rid of that entirely, that will effectively make that irrelevant. Because then it's not turning off the lights every time it loads. Although these materials don't update, so that's interesting. They update as soon as you move it, so that's fine. Interesting that everything updates as soon as you start adjusting things, but the material, for some reason, doesn't. Oh, I know why. I got that. That one updates, that one updates, that one updates, that one updates. Okay, cool. Well, haha. Don't have to change anything. It is updating. Okay, cool. Nice. Update this. Should all change. See, the weird part is it's hard to test networking locally. Oh, see, that's weird. That one updated, but the other ones didn't. Weird. Okay. I don't know why. Yeah, whatever. That's such a minor issue. Okay. Green screen. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to make it specifically a green screen that only renders for these cameras. So these cameras are on layer camera invisible. So let's look at what layers the cameras are rendering. So I could do another custom layer. So in that case, we have oh, by the way, Kelly, how's the stream quality? I'm testing my add backgrounds to the cameras. I could. I'm having to reboot certain parts of my brain because I haven't touched this in a few months. I just noticed my audio was almost clipping, so I turned that down slightly. Okay, yeah. So I'm doing 2.5 megabit, which is kind of decent for 720 live stream. But yeah, I mean, Starlink seems to be handling it pretty well. It's just it's gonna drop out every once in a while, so that's a good thing. I'm mainly doing this as a test to catalog how well. Oh my god, audio filters. I don't like that. Output. Just turn that down slightly. Honestly, I don't think I even need a compressor. Yeah, whatever. I can always turn it up too, because like I can my upload can actually handle it. It's just when it drops out. So yeah, I'm predominantly doing a test to see how frequent the dropouts are. Let's see, speed test. Because I easily get up to 10 times my upload speed of what I had on Frontier. Download's pretty eh. Oh, look at that. Download 70 megabit, 80 megabit, 85, 90. Okay, cool. Yeah. That good. See, it's weird because it fluctuates throughout the day. Like, I usually get better during midday. Oh my god, 90. Oh, it's so good. And then, yeah, 10. And this is while I'm streaming, so it's probably giving me higher priority because I've got constant upload. But yeah, the fact that I'm getting a constant 10 makes me super happy. Because it's literally 10 times better than I had ever before. Anyway, okay, so you said background layer for the cameras. I gotta refamiliarize myself with how cameras work. Yeah, welcome to the communication age. Why is my microphone clipping? I don't like seeing that. One sec. I'm gonna diagnose this. Alright, this might sound weird for a minute. Pause audio. I don't like seeing a red line anytime I talk into the microphone. Checkity. Oh god, that's gonna sound weird. Alright, I'm just gonna fucking turn it down. Speech jammer. Okay, so you said you can change the background for cameras. Okay. Background. Oh, hey, look at that. Oh! It's that easy! Huh? Okay, well, let's see. In that case, let's do flags. What color? Yeah. So I could do that. So the question is, can I change this with an Udon behavior? If the answer is yes, then that's great. If the answer is no, then I'm gonna be because in that case, I could literally just duplicate one of these UIs and then just make it for whatever you want the background color to be, and then I could just simply at that case, I could just turn off the mesh renderer for that. Collider would still exist. And then on the camera, I just set it to a color. Boom. Like that. And actually, I could do pretty much any color. Yeah, so I'll make it so that you can set it to whatever color you fucking want. I need my music. I miss my music. I just need that. Okay, so in that case, and again, making it globalist. Okay. I hate. All right. In that case, we'll do skybox. So first, let's answer the first question of does this. Ooh, where's the floor? Let's actually rename. Oh, mesh renderer. Okay. So I know I can disable mesh renderer. I think that disables for everybody though. So I think I'm gonna want to have. I want to be able to see the floor physically. So in that case, we're gonna duplicate this, and we're gonna make the predominant one camera invisible. So put this on camera invisible. Now, the question is, how do I make a floor that's player invisible? Well, actually, that's a good point. Is there a layer that only renders... I mean, I could make it an environment. I could literally just move it down, like... I could just move it down a couple fucking units. That way, it's, like, not even noticeable. God, I don't like that it keeps zooming me out. Okay. Floor camera invisible. I don't really care what layer that is. All I'm gonna do is turn off the mesh renderer. And if I do that, okay, that solves that problem. And then I'll just set this to 10. Well, mainly I want it to not Z fight, so. Okay, so not that unit. 10.02. Okay, so I want to move it down. Yeah, so I'll just do negative 0.001. Okay, that's a simple solution for that. I need to make a UI, so in that case we will do Studio Tools, Backgrounds. I need myself a new UI. Okay, so I'm just gonna duplicate whatever this UI is. UI. Copy. In that case, I don't actually need a green screen thing. It's just literally whatever color you want it to be. Let's move this. Give it a. Alright, so now here's the fun part. I'm gonna figure out how I actually write these. Crap, because that means I have to completely make a new Udon behavior. Relearning Udon! UI. Need a toggle. Bigger. Alright, let's look at a camera. No, I don't need a toggle. I need actually a drop down. Skybox solid color. Depths only. Don't clear. Oh no, I want just the two. So yeah, toggle will work. Drop down might still be easier though. Problem is I don't know how that works. The drop down's gonna be easier to play. Honestly, I can shrink this whole thing down. Oh, the other thing is I'm gonna have to give this another material. That's easy though. Materials. Okay, so I actually don't need that. Yeah, it's just gonna be. Gonna be cameras. That one. I don't think I need you. I don't need. Yeah. Don't need this. I just need hue saturation value. And then our toggle. You got covered in cat lint?
I did.
My brother just comes up at my desk and borrows the Wait, so son, how's life? How's work? You making enough money? Any girls in your life? Wait, stop. What are you doing? You're ruining my live stream! Hold on, I can actually just... Why? Why you do this? I can just auto frame instead. Haha. Now it follows me. Except it doesn't because the field of view. Oh no, I turn up zoom. Zoom!
Wow.
Anyway, you can just turn it off. Hi. What's up, bro? Anyway. Brain.
That works.
Okay, instead of... I gotta do that set to 2 because... Brain. Brain. Oops.
There's a gentle rain downtown, a shadow pooling underneath me as it follows on the ground. Kissed you when I saw you, stared deep into your eyes. I meant to say I love you, but instead I said goodbye.
Ah, right. I'm like, why is it not changing? Because I didn't set up the Udon behavior. Okay, that's why. Bing. I gotta. We'll be pinging. I got pinged somewhere. Oh, VRCon stat first. Eating. Okay. Okay. I think that's basically the UI I want. Yeah.
For all my good intentions, there's a shadow in the dark. It comes to me infrequently and breaks your perfect heart. I don't know why I do it, apologize, but it's too late. A single tear and you leave me here and the shadow slips away.
Okay. Now the fun part. Alright. I gotta open the Udon graph.
I'm a stranger to myself.
Okay.
Someone else. Shadows in the city, like a demon in the dark, come to tear us apart.
Okay. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is all working. Need saturation value. I don't need these. Maybe just okay. That should work. Like this. Right. Q. Saturation value. Don't need these. Okay, read slider hue, get value. I use saturation value to RGB. Set light color. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need this. Hold on. Oh, I just realized something. I was working on revamping this to work better on networking, and I never finished it. This should be fun. Yeah, when I upload this, I'm doing a test upload. It's gonna be a new instance, not so I don't accidentally, delete the functional one. Okay. So the thing to note is in the original UI, I never actually changed the value based on that. The difference in the background is I want to be able to. So get value, so I'm gonna copy this guy. Come on. So that's one change. The other change is... Okay, so I don't need any of this. I don't need any of this. And this is the saturation slider color, yeah. Can also move this stuff. Okay, So, if anybody's unaware, this is basically how I handled the networking on pre-serialization. I have a note somewhere where I have this written down. Oh my god, I have so many fucking notes. Some of these notes are literally like one line. Might be in my other notebook. God. Oh, here we go. So, the difference between pre-serialization and deserialization. Pre-serialization is what you run when you are the master, or not master, where you are the owner of the object, and it says, I am setting the value. Therefore, everybody else should set this value. So this is you sending a synchronization, where deserialization is everybody else who isn't the owner of the item is receiving the information. So that's how that's handled. And then the actual ownership transfer. Basically, anytime somebody interacts with one of the so yeah, anybody who actually interacts with the UIs is then says, hey, I'm taking ownership of this thing, and then everybody else agrees. That's basically what I have set up here. So to answer your question, what's this all going to be used for? This is, well, one, this is a general purpose sort of studio map for recording videos. So you can light a subject and then record with up to 4 cameras. Here, let me just full screen this. So these are 4 different cameras that you can place around. You can frame them up with their focal length. It's just a simple zoom slider. Let me just run the game and I'll show you. So the idea is that you can, let's turn down skylight. So the idea is to light a subject. That you're going to be interviewing. So you'll have up to 4 cameras that you can set up to interview a subject. And like you could also have an interviewee. So for instance, if I walk over here, you'll see me as well. And so it's just, you set up your different cameras, and then you have this so you can preview it. But then what you can do is you can either, in desktop, you can just sit over here. Hey, welcome, Brenda. Anyway, so the idea is that you set up your scene, you set up your lights, and then you can either put your stream camera over here and record your VRChat window, or if you're in desktop, which will probably be easier to run this way, is you just sit here, and then you're the recorder. And everything will just render easier that way. And then basically you can have 2 other people or even a single subject, and they're sitting here and you interview them. So that's what the lights are for, so you can set all that up. This will be a background override so that you can, if for instance you want to do green screen, you can choose whatever color you want. I'm not done setting that up. And then the actual directional light you can use as well in case you want to have like specific lighting. Yeah, you can get super creative with all the lights. And then basically you sit in here to actually record. Yeah, so this is the eventual evolution of the studio that I've shown several times to several different people on VRChat. This is just me simplifying it for the end user, so rather than having 21 different buttons that you spawn each a different light, the lights are always there, and it's just you changing what they do. Now, need to map all this out. Okay, so for some reason, at the moment, the Udon behavior is not updating the material, and I'm gonna guess it's because I didn't change it on the actual UI. That one's changed. That one's changed. So why is that not updating? It might not be reading the right UI. Yeah, it's still reading the smart light one. Okay, so I just need to change all these. Right, so look, I can just dock this again. Okay, so slider hue, slider saturation, slider value. Don't need these two. Don't need that. I can actually remove these from the variables. Delete. Delete. Don't need you. And these are then floats that I'm using to basically store the data. Okay. Okay, now this should work, if I did it right. You'll notice that sometimes the materials don't update, but that... aha, doesn't work. Okay. So, set color. Yeah, material, set color. I think it's because I'm using the wrong event. So this should be... let me just bring an event in. Boy, create node. Event. Really? Haha! Udon has not become any easier to use. Oh, I don't think I've actually updated the SDK yet. This might be fun. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. What version SDK am I using? I honestly have no idea. I don't feel like trying to update it right now. But I probably should. Heck. Alright, let me save. Let me push the changes to GitHub. Okay, I'll push that. And then I'm gonna update the SDK. Okay, so that's done. Here comes the fun part. Alright, first thing they recommend you do is you load a completely different scene. So I will loot, well, no, maybe I shouldn't maybe I shouldn't load the SDK example scene. Alright, let's load a scene that, boy. Let's just create a scene. Okay, so save that. Let's go to where it actually is. Show and Explorer. Ta-da. So, if I remember correctly, what I'm supposed to do, firstly, let's go download the most recent version. Just log in real quick. Downloads. Alright, SDK3 World. $322. Alright, that's going. Okay, so I think what I'm supposed to do is have this open. Okay, so I have a completely different scene loaded. I'm gonna delete the SDK. Yeah. Then I open the SDK. Okay. And the other thing is I just want to make sure I import everything. Okay, I forgot to delete Udon and VRChat examples. Oh well. All. Okay, so I need to. Right. Okay, so I need to delete VRChat examples and. Okay, Udon, VRChat examples, delete. Now I do it. I might be doing this totally wrong, but I don't care. This is how I've done it in the past, and it usually works. Okay.
I've been so low, felt the wind blow like I was
Aha.
a screen door in a
It was weird for a second.
Yeah, I've been down, you've been laid out, but you always were.
I'm updating the SDK.
Waiting all day just for my sake.
I don't know how my stream's getting suggested to people. I have no idea what that says. Sorry.
I've made mistakes and I've been hard hit. I said so what if I did? I'm the clear eye, I'm the comeback kid.
Don't do the delete folder method, huh?
Been some tough tears I've lost so fast. All that I had,
Hello.
but when it's time to, I'll fight for you 'cause you know you are.
Aight, cool. I mean, that's how I did it. So, oops. I did make sure to load a temporary scene, one that wasn't the scene I'm actually working in.
Mistakes and I've been hard hit. I say so what if I did? I'm the clear eye, I'm the comeback kid. Started over again. I'm the clear eye, I'm the comeback.
Okay. I think it's done updating. Maybe, maybe not. Nope, still going. Yeah, there's all the changes. Better to install the new on top of old, so might work on high chance it will break. Did for me. Okay. Okay. I guess I'll just do that from now on. Yeah, the thing is, I didn't used to do the delete folder method, just because I've normally just been able to just open the new SDK and it just does stuff, and it usually works, so I guess I'll stop doing the delete folder method.
I've made mistakes and I've been hard hit. I say so what if I did? I'm the clear eye,
Okay. Let's first just try opening the example scene. Ah.
started over again. I'm the clear eye, I'm the comeback kid.
Alright, I'm gonna update Cyania Mewtwo.
Rush out on an uptown train, doors open, and she walks in, she's soaking, caught in the rain, her skin
Ah, apparently I already had it downloaded.
crystalline.
Well, that makes me think I have the same version installed already.
Eyes meet, you know where this goes, her keys in, they take off their clothes, they're soaking, caught in a dream, her skin shines like crystalline.
I mean, the red text at the bottom went away, so I'm happy about that.
The problem with believers, they let anyone in the
Okay. See if it'll actually let me load the example scene now.
It's all the bodies buried under the floorboards.
Okay, I'm satisfied. Ta-da! Alright, let me make sure everything works, and then I'll push the changes to the repo.
Sailors knew sirens would sing from rocks off the cliffs by the sea, the monsters with waiting teeth.
See if this works yet. Nope. Okay, we're gonna fix that one. Alright. So now why is this not working? Alright, let's first rule out. I might have. Oh, that's right. Slider hue. Saturation. Value. Okay, and those are those. And color display is using saturation PG. Saturation bank MLBG. Okay. Now behavior. Right, I was gonna change events. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna switch it to update. I shouldn't switch it to update, but I'm going to. Just because I know update works. Ah, forgot you could do 2. Alright, well, I'll just disconnect that for now. Oh, that's something. Well, it did something, but didn't do what I expected it to. These bug me. Okay, so it updated it once, but it didn't continuously update it. Okay, so what was actually firing on value changed? I'm trying to remember. Error. On value change, it's a custom thing. I know it is because I created it. Question being, what fires that event? So in that case, let's actually go look at the original UI. What I might have is... Yeah. Okay, so what I have on those UIs... Yeah, so that's pointing to a specific Udon behavior as well. Gotcha, and I'm assuming these then point to their subsequent Udon behavior. Or not, because I may have not set those up properly. Oh, they do. Okay. So that's nice. They point to their local ones. So now I gotta go to this UI. Yeah, okay. They do have it. But they're referencing the wrong Udon behavior. Okay, that's why. So, these now need to reference this Udon behavior. Ah, great. I'm gonna have to do this for every single one. Aha. This is why I remember not liking doing this, because it's not good. Okay. So if I remember correctly, these on value changed and the rest are set owner. And I have on pointer click, on pointer down, and on pointer up, all set owner. Oh, God. Okay. The other part is it's not searchable, so on send custom event on value changed. Thank you. Okay. And then this one is also send custom event. Set owner. Haha! It remembers. The fact that I have to do this for every single one is really obnoxious. Okay. Oh, right. I was gonna push the repo updates, so let's do that before I continue. I just like to keep these commits separated. That way, in case I break something. I might have to take a break and go get some food soon. I'm getting hungry. There we go. Okay, push. Okay, I can continue working. It's going. Okay, that should work now. Because oh, I forgot to plug in whatever. Forgot to plug in the event. That's fine. I can just close it and do it again. You know. Yep, I forgot to actually plug that in. Okay, so... Fuck. I only did that... Wait, did that do on all of them? Or is this... No. Fuck. And it's every UI element I gotta do that with. Oh god, I hate it. There's gotta be a better way. Make sure you slather the food in ghee. It's actually cooked in ghee, but yes. Oh god, I hate it. And it's not like it's all the way at the top. Fuck. The fact that I gotta click and scroll for it every time. And custom event. Send custom event. And it's not in the first list. Oh, I can type send, so that's good at least. Boy. It's like this tedious stuff that I'm just like, why? Why must it be like this? Okay. Color display, that's fine. That doesn't need anything updated. It's the sliders. And then I gotta add the toggle as well. I hope they compiled already. Fuck. Okay, I just set it to cyan. It should jump to black. No, it didn't. Oop. Okay, it changed once, but why is it not changing again? Confusion. Should still be, yeah, slider hue, saturation, value. I don't need a light mesh trigger, I can remove that. It just floats. I don't need these two.
All over the country, armies of young people are blasting away at invaders from outer space and paying for the privilege. I'll be looking at the electronic game craze, which has not only fascinated the nation.
That's it, those are the only ones I need.
Problems as well. Although it looked innocent enough, this machine turned out to have some unusual powers. It kept kids mesmerized for hours.
We are not a sentimental age.
Why?
On our parents' China or their ticker tape parades.
Okay, the other question is it a part of... So it's under the parent object. However, it's next to the UI. Okay, so the other question is if I put it down here, does that make a difference? I hope that doesn't, because if it does, that's going to be stupid.
We are not a sentimental age.
It updates it once. Why?
We're all melting together, synchronized in a mass embrace. Beads of water falling together.
Also, why is it not deleting these values? Enough of these. Use saturation value. I don't need these two. Delete. Delete.
I'll never even know
Okay.
your name.
Okay, so these are then setting these. These are then reading the value, setting the flow, or setting the slider. Fine, that's its own loop. Okay, slider hue. This might... Material. The fact that it's working once, that's what I'm confused about. That just links to documentation color. Okay. Debug mode. Okay, underscore color. Mission color. Why does it feel so dark? Okay, it is that color. Ah. Okay, this is underscore emission color. What it material set color. Wondering. No, I definitely want to set color, not emission color. Okay, so this was originally for the... okay, so... Right. I don't need this. No, I don't. This is for the blend shape. I don't need that. Wow, that's how simple this is. Okay, cool. Set that back to black. View duration value. Just feed RGB, that's fine. And hold on. Create node. Set. Hold on. Let's undo some of my deleting of nodes. This is the node I want. My question, where did this node come from? Because I bet you if I delete this and set this to underscore color, it will work. Don't ask me why this works. Because the other node should do it just fine. But for some reason, it doesn't want to. Also, I didn't forgot to set that back. Whatever, it should be fine. Aha! Okay. Also, this should be black. Okay, so that means I can just set it to green. It's the value, so that means you can set it to literally any color you want. Okay. Then all I gotta do is just set that to camera override, and that will do a multitude of things. Why does this? No, it doesn't. Okay, we're good. Okay, so now I will need another variable. This one's gonna be interesting because I've never played with a bool. What are these? Slider. What are these? Cat. Oop. No, I don't need you. Create node. I think I need to create a new variable. Toggle? Hey look, a toggle. Okay, new variable, toggle. Override. Whatever. What is it called? In my UI. It's literally called toggle. Okay. Okay, so now I just get variable toggle. Yes. And this is where it gets fun, because now I'm gonna have to have. Ooh! You know what? I just thought of a feature, and I'm gonna do it because it'll literally take me five extra minutes. I'm gonna let you toggle each camera independently. That way, if one of the cameras you want to have a green screen and one of them you don't, you can choose per camera. And that just involves. That'd be really easy to add later on. I can literally just add 4 different toggles. I don't know. Alright, I actually have to use the restroom, so I will be right back.
When you're 17, the thought of a spark could start a fire. Tube top and faded jeans, how we forget how we desire. We were 17, we had 17, the thought of a spark could start a fire. Tube top and faded jeans, how we forget how we desire. We were 17, 17. We had city dreams, city dreams. We were 17, 17. We had city dreams.
Meep. Okay, so okay. Bulls are a new concept. I know they're a binary value, but I don't. It probably would be easier if I probably would be far easier instead of reading if they're bool and then doing something like literally just having it fire an event. Mo. What? 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 You... Ugh. Shitty. Is this what you want? You just want to be up here? Alright. Go. Down you go. Go. That was like 5 seconds and I got cat hair all over me already. Okay. Okay, so cat. Get out of debug mode. Okay, so they have on value change. I don't want value change, so in that case I'm gonna have value change boolean. No. No. What are these? Event trigger script. So, add component. Event trigger. Add new type. Honestly, I should just copy these. This will be transfer of ownership. Except it's going to be the exact same. Yeah, whatever. Copy component. Good, it's referencing the same one. I could have just done that for whatever. Whatever. Mo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh wait, I'm busy. Sorry. Okay, this has to be the behavior. Send custom event. And again, this needs to be on value changed. I'm almost thinking this should be its own Udon behavior. So yes, I'll have it in here in case you, in fact, no, this doesn't even need to be here then. Because that will fire the event. Ah, brain hurt. Probably going to be easier if I have it all in one Udon behavior. Easier to make changes at least. Wait, can I do an on interact on a toggle? Hold on. Ah! That toggle. UI engine toggle. Right. Is destroyed on deselect on move on pointer click on pointer down. What is on submit?
Put a space between
Yeah,
anyway.
I'll check that. All right, I am streaming. All right, I'll set myself a reminder to check that out in a minute.
Like,
What is it?
it's the name of the video. You put anyway instead of any way.
Is it in the? It's in the title,
Yeah.
which means I have to export the video.
Oh, the title.
Yeah, which means I have to re-export the video. I can do that later. I'll set myself a reminder to do it later.
No, I can't.
No, I can't. No, I can. It's just.
No, it's just the auto replays. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can do. Buddy.
I mean, honestly, I don't particularly think anybody watching the stream would mind if I did this on stream.
No.
Fuck it, I'm gonna just do it now.
Login information.
Well, no. See, that's all on another monitor. I'm just gonna open the project. What do you want, cat? What do you want? No, but what do you want? What I thought. Silence. Alright, we're gonna open Premiere. What is this music? It's weird because okay, I thumbs down the song. Stop playing the song.
I wasn't looking for action, just some distraction, just
The other question is this even on my computer anymore?
looking for romance.
Or am I gonna have to go get this? Documents. Save. Yeah, it's all still there. Okay, cool. Cat.
I wasn't looking for you. I wasn't after forever, just for whatever. I was one of the dark hearts who thought that they'd never truly be open. But this is an explosion of star-crossed and blood-rushed and head-tossed and cheeks flushed and weeks lost. I wasn't looking for you. I said I never
Okay.
felt my heart like this.
Any way you want it. Okay.
Always thought the point of love was
Right, music. Okay, so titles. Alright, and let's actually read through the email. Don't know how we missed it, but looks like the any way you want it video title card is incorrectly worded. Anyway, update the file and post high res so I can download it. Should read any way you want. Thank you for actually typing it out verbatim what you want. Alright. Literally capitalize the W and add a space. Cat, I swear to God.
What is it? Okay.
Okay. I think that's literally it. Okay, boom. I won't even charge them for this. Premiere? There you go. Alright, anyway, you want it. Let's export that to the right folder. Adaptive high bitrate. And cute. Cat. Cat. And I gotta make sure I do. Actually, it should be fine. Double check that this isn't gonna export as a VR video, because that would be dumb. Nope. Okay, good. Go. Save that. Minimize. That should only take a few minutes to export. Yeah, it's going real quick. I'm also going to check the documents that they sent me because I literally copy pasted from what they typed. So let's go.
Organs are
set list.
expensive.
Yep, that's how they had it. What do you mean?
Like, they're pricey.
What?
Organs.
Like the instrument?
Both.
Yes.
But yeah, the organ. Like one of the Hammonds.
Where is this coming from? I'm confused.
I was doing research on organs.
Okay.
Trying to get some MIDI stuff to control right. But
I'm talking about this video though.
yeah, I know.
I'm just saying that's the set list they sent me.
I'm just saying organs are expensive because I looked up a real organ. It's like over $10,000 for a Hammond. And that's the newer shit.
Yeah.
Imagine how much a classic Hammond's worth. Damn.
Yeah. Okay. Here's a 53 email thread. What do you mean none of these emails are being set list?
Corridor Crew's hiring again.
Yeah, I believe it. Yep. It's copied exactly from emails. So however they typed it. Whatever. Alright, it's got another 20 minutes on the export, and I'll be uploading it then. I will reply actually when it's uploaded, just because I like doing that just to make people think. It's like, oh wow, he's already fixed it and it's there. Haha. You don't have to go back and forth for 2 days. All right, I will just set myself a timer for 16, 17 minutes. All right, back to Unity. Okay. What is on submit? Ah. Sorry, that page seems to be missing. Also, my headphones are low on battery. I think now might be a good time to go get some food. Alright, I'm going to... Oh, fuck. Restream doesn't actively tell me how many people are watching unless I open it in the web page. I don't think I logged in. No, it's going. Okay. I'm just gonna have my tunes play, and then I'm gonna charge my headphones while I go make some food. Let's, fuck it. We're just gonna do this. Overlay test. There we go.